big or
Finally got one. He's little, but
Wait, did you capture me full?
no.
Can I release him?
Yeah, let me get him out.
Well, actually, do it.
Give me them pliers right there, baby. Oh wait, never mind. Never mind. We take it, little chunky chunk. Just don't fall again, fool.
Yeah, I'm scared.
No, come step over the pole
I'm
first.
scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, never mind.
Grab
You
him.
release him. You release him.
Okay.
Ooh.
Thank you, little guy. Fat little guy.
Wee, that's a fish that I saw earlier. You like my hand?